It's time now to focus on the forecast with Derek Kevra, and we're talking Halloween and hurricanes. Derek, how does that happen?
Yeah, both together. Luckily, they're not going to interact at all.
Yeah,
so that's the good news. Yeah.
Good.
But with Halloween, people concerned, what's going to happen? Am I going to need to wear a coat with my costume? I don't think so. I think it's going to be a little bit warmer yesterday, or I should say, well, yesterday night, early this morning, was quite cold. I don't think we're going to drop to those levels again this week. In fact, it is going to warm up just a little bit. Let's start with some temperatures out there right now. Sky's pretty clear in many spots, and the temperature is actually starting to reflect that a little bit. Now, south of the lake tonight, we probably will drop once again into the 40s, but once you see these overnight lows from early this morning, you'll notice that it is just a little bit warmer. But temperatures right now south of the lake in the middle to upper 60s with Audubon at 68, and those folks that are starting to walk around the quarter right now, temps in the middle 60s. And the dew points, those have been going up. I've been keeping a close eye on these over the last 24 hours. We started today with dew points in the 50s. Now they're in the 60s. That means it's starting to get a little bit more muggy out there, and we're going to feel that over the next couple of days. I don't think we're quite done with this humidity just yet. Now look at these low temperatures from early this morning. They started very chilly. Slidell, 36 degrees early this morning, and it was cold in all spots north of the lake. South of the lake, temperatures were in the lower 50s. Some of the spots like Belle Chase fell down to 46 degrees. Now, we did warm up this afternoon. Very comfortable afternoon out there with Kenner at 76 degrees. Slidell ringing in with a very seasonable 75 and Audubon at 78. Let's talk some tropics real quick. We were keeping an eye on Hurricane Sherry. That was downgraded to a tropical storm and now considered extra tropical, so we're not that concerned with her anymore. But we are turning our focus to Tomas, which is a Category 1 hurricane. Tomas right now moving through the Barbados area. Take a look at him on infrared, and you'll notice that there is some pretty good tropical-like tendencies here with a little bit of rotation. It is a broad storm, one of the bigger storms that we've seen in quite some time. What's going to happen with him over the next couple of days? Well, spaghetti models have him tracking in this general direction. All of them in most agreement that it's going to slide between South America and the Caribbean islands here south of Hispaniola and south of Puerto Rico. This water right now at about 84 degrees, so yes, he will strengthen, likely getting up to a Category 3 storm, but it's very interesting how the rest of his path kind of plays out. And let's take a look here. Wind's going to get up to about 110 miles an hour by Monday in the afternoon, so that's Category 2, almost Category 3. Probably going to get to Category 3 status by Thursday, but on Thursday, it's going to just hang around the Caribbean here because fronts that are moving down from the continental United States will keep him resting there in the Caribbean, and eventually he'll move north off into the Atlantic, running well off the East Coast, so probably not a concern for us. Our forecast over the next couple of days, watch this low pressure system move on down, a cutoff low actually. What that means is it's just going to hang around for a couple of days, starting Tuesday, continuing Wednesday and Thursday, so expect some rain for the middle of the week. Your trick-or-treating forecast, though, no rain. It is going to be dry with temperatures in the upper 60s, lower 70s. Tonight we'll call it mostly clear, a little bit chilly. Temperatures north of the lake do get a little bit cool, 45 to 50 degrees. Tomorrow, a little bit muggier, more sunshine, 77 to 82. That rain moving in Monday night, sticking around Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Then another cold front kicks that low pressure system out of here. That'll cool us down and dry us off at the same time.
I like how that cold front's like a force field.
You like that?
Yeah, I want to keep it like that.
Very Star Wars-like.
It is. Very good for Halloween.
Yeah.
Thanks, Derek.